Hi all, this is Varun here. Here's an assembly video of the latest and the new Beetle Lite Diffuser, and this is a regular size version and also has the LED in it. So let's see what you get in the package. So first let's remove the small parts. So this is a mini power bank if you have opted for the LED version, and this is a new ring which has been designed and developed for this diffuser. More about this later. And a Beetle band, and the diffuser comes as 3 parts. One panel with cord and cord lock, and this is the main body, which is in 2 halves. And since you have opted for the LED version, it comes with the 8 LED installed on one side with the on-off switch. Alright, so it's just a 6-button fixation. 3 buttons on the body, attaches and detaches via plastic snap-on buttons. You can just keep it aside. So there is one-time installation before you start using the diffuser. Attach this band. So just pull the band and put it around your speed light and just leave it like that. You can leave it permanently on. So just quick tip: whenever you use the diffuser, always use this reflector panel, wide-angle reflector panel, which is I'm sure it's there in all the rectangular head flashes. This spreads light even more evenly and the results are even more pleasing. And this new ring, this is to stop the panel from slipping out once you attach it. This lens has a 62 mm filter thread. So this is 62 to a 62 ring. So just attach it just like your step up or a step down ring, or like any filter. So what this does is it creates this depth here, like so. It's like a stopper for the panel from slipping out. And with this, you will still be able to use the original lens cap. So the ring and the band, you can just leave it. This is just a one-time installation. So now you can take the diffuser body and just pull the tag on one side, slide this part in, do the same thing on the other side. That's it. Take the panel. There's again 3 buttons, one on top, 2 on either sides. That's it. You're done. Pull this, push this inside with the cord below, and depending on the angle, with the cord lock, it has this cord lock mechanism. You can press and hold and release. So loosen it up so to change angle. Now if you want to have it almost at head-on angle, you can push it close to the front ring. So here it is. I would like to use it more in an angle like this, like 45-degree angles. Very good for shooting higher magnification subjects. The light is more effective and the panel being very close to the subject. So this comes with the LED. So just attach this mini power bank, which attaches here in the side and this part where the velcro is. That's it. So this entire diffuser with this power bank, LED and the cable weighs just about 220 grams. And if you have opted for a non-LED version, the weight is about 110 grams. Also, the diffuser comes in 3 sizes: the mini, there's a regular size, and there's a larger size. If you have any flash like a Godox 860 version 3 or a Godox V1 or any flash with built-in LED, you can use that LED effectively. You can just opt for the non-LED version of the diffuser. And since this panel is translucent and allows more light, even the built-in LED of any flash will be very effective. So this panel is also cross-compatible with the Pro models of all sizes. So you need the panel and the ring. So you can buy this entire diffuser and just use the panel and ring with the Pro version. So here is a Beetle Lite Diffuser for you. So for international customers, I won't be able to ship this power bank enclosure with the battery in it. So you'll be just getting this enclosure. You can just open it on end. It's a screw type. Loosen it and open it, pull this thing out, and get a good 18650 battery which is available in your local store. something preferably in 2000 mAh or 2600 mAh. This is a 2600 mAh on a fully charged power bank. It gives me about 4 hours of more than 4 hours of runtime with the 8 LED in the diffuser. You need to be careful about one thing while installing the battery for the first time. So make sure the positive side always goes towards this side where the PCB is. The spring, this part, the negative side needs to be here. Installing it the other way around, you'll end up damaging the PCB. There will be short circuit and the enclosure will not be usable. So make sure it is installed correctly. So this is the positive side. So this is how it's just simple. It just gets installed. So this is a one-time installation for you. Once you put the battery, yeah, you don't have to open it again. Then you can charge it with this micro USB port here, and this is the USB out to connect your switch cable which is on the diffuser. All right, thank you for watching.